Hi dears, welcome to Miraculous recipe. In this video, I am sharing with you an anti-aging cream with aloe vera gel. This Miraculous cream removes wrinkles and prevents their reappearance. We need a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then add a teaspoon of cornstarch and mix well. As you know, aloe vera can be used as a skin moisturizer or to soothe irritation of the scalp. Also, aloe vera gel is most commonly used to treat sunburn and stimulates collagen production in the skin. Put a tablespoon of flaxseed in a saucepan and add a glass of water. Then boil for 10 minutes. Flaxseed normalizes skin moisture levels and very effective for removing dryness, peeling, and uneven skin. It participates in the process of collagen synthesis and helps to tighten the oval of the face. Then pass the flax seeds through a sieve to get the flaxseed gel. After that, add the aloe vera mixture to the flaxseed gel and mix thoroughly. You can store this mixture in a jar in the refrigerator for 7 days. Apply this cream to your face and neck before bed. Also, you can apply this cream on wrinkles around the eyes. But be careful of the eye area. Massage your skin very well in a circle movements. Leave the cream on the skin until morning and then wash it off. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Thank you for watching us. Wish you a happy, healthy, wealthy life.